Creative writing, go ahead and start taking your attendance. And remember, you're not supposed to just take attendance and not do any work. Make sure you're doing your classwork for creative writing and your other classes. Okay? For today, you're going to do some nature writing. Okay? And it looks like this. Click on it. And what you need to do is go through this. You may have to use your school email to log in, okay? But you're going to go through each slide. All right. You see that this is a VR. VR is virtual reality. Okay, so it looks as if you're in the mountains. Some of you expressed places like these in your home countries that are very scenic and beautiful. Okay, here's another one. Oh, the water, the ocean. And you're just going to go through these questions, okay? But what you need to do is type directly in here. So it says here, write the first 5 words that come to mind after your exploration, or draw out the inspiration, feelings, or thoughts you had as you were exploring, okay? So write your thoughts, ideas that come to mind when you were looking at the virtual reality before this, okay? The first 5 words. So you just list 5 words when you see this, okay? That's the first one. The other one is asking you to write, how did nature inspire you? What thoughts, feelings came to you as you explored? So make sure you answer that question, and do not just write one question. Try to type at least 3 sentences. At least 3 sentences or more, okay? If you want to write more than 3, that's great. That's even better. But you have to write at least 3. Okay, so the work for creative writing is kind of light because I want you guys to focus on your energy on the English 2 annotation. Okay, try to finish the annotation from English 2. And also, if you didn't finish the test or do your letter to teacher improvements, make sure you work on that. Okay, again, if you have questions, you're unsure about anything, please send me a message. If you need help, how to submit something, or if you got a general question. Okay, have a good day.